Assalamualaikum and a very good day to my fellow watchers, especially Sir Fauzi. So today we will be explaining the topic of public university diploma students from 2011 until 2020, where we will be taking the data of employed diploma students. So we will forward to our group members. As you can see, there are 3 group members including myself, Hafiz Zafran, and we have another Afiq, which is Afiq Najmi, and we have also Anas. So from the 3 of us, which include myself, I mostly do the work of making the report, and I will be explaining our whole system or our whole job desk and each other's job desk, which includes Afiq Najmi's work for the manually calculating the data, and also Anas's progress on using the Maple. Moving on, we will forward to our introduction, which is public universities in Malaysia are higher education institutions funded by the government. They offer a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs in various fields such as science, engineering, business, and the arts. These universities aim to provide affordable and quality education to local and international students. Some well-known public universities in Malaysia may include Universiti Malaya, Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, and Universiti Putra Malaysia. They play an important role in supporting the country's development through research, innovation, and education. First of all, I would like to say sorry if you had to read the whole paragraph, because it's too long and quite, I would say, unfascinating. But we will still forward. So for this data for the study were obtained from the number of diploma students provided by the academic qualifications Malaysia. So we will use the data which is officialized by Malaysia themselves. Without further ado, I will forward my job to Afiq Najmi so that he can explain to you guys how we manage to provide the answers for best fit of curves from the data we took.
Okay. Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to everyone. My name is Muhammad Najmi bin Samsuada. I'm from class 267, 2B1. So today I wanna present about our um, algebra group project assignment, which is our title data for this group project is number of bachelor student in public university, where we get the data by academic qualification Malaysia. So my part is where I show the manual calculation on the data. So as you guys can see, we have data for diploma student from 2011 to 2020. Just forget the 2021. And then we proceed the data with into qualitative model. And then we can see the augmented matrix, which is the year and square years. The quadratic method is y equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So therefore, we conclude the y, and then we find the matrix transpose, which is over here. And then the question for the v is matrix transpose m inverse multiplied by matrix transpose multiplied by y. Okay, after we define the matrix transpose, we multiply it by the matrix that we have, which is matrix transpose M, and then we get the matrix, and then we inverse it. so that we can calculate the vector. The calculation I made is helped by using Mapper and my calculation, which is calculator. And then we need to find the matrix transpose multiplied by y. Therefore, after we find the matrix transpose inverse and matrix transpose multiplied by y, we should get the V, which is 17323M81 over 15, and then negative 344,077 divided by 55, and then 16571 divided by 53. So therefore, the best fit curve for quality is y equal to 115,492.0667 minus 6255.9455x plus 502.1515x squared. So therefore, after we find the v, we can proceed to find the mv, which is matrix multiplied by the v that we search. Okay, after we find the mv, we can proceed to find the error, which is the equation is error equal to y minus mv. Therefore, our error is negative 4002.277, 2558.2182, 3684.4061, 174586 over 55, negative 59187 over 55, negative 187270 over 33, 177 negative 177643 over 55, 6824 over 5, 4558.1697, and lastly negative 1956.7636. So the the procedure to find this is just minus the y matrix with our MV. Therefore, after we find our error, we should get to calculate our magnitude vector error to find the best fit curve line, which is magnitude error vector. Our magnitude vector error is estimate is 10884.5737. Okay, that's all for me.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Anas Harifin bin Kamal Harifin. I will show and explain just a little bit to you guys about Maple in our projects. Initialize tools and settings. Start with restart to clear previous variables. We load necessary packages, linear algebra for maths, plots for visuals. Input and format the data. We use a list of XY pairs for clarity. X equal to year since 2011, 1 equal to 2011, 2 equal to 2012, and the rest. Variable extraction and design matrix. X values equal to independent variable equal to time. Y values equal to depend variable equal to student count. The matrix M has column for 1, x and x squared to fit y equal to a plus bx plus cx squared. Best fix quadratic equation. We use least squares method. MT MV equal to MTY. Error analysis. The purpose is to quantify model accuracy. Error norm equal to measure total deviation, and smaller equal to better fit. Visualization. Fitted curve. The purpose is to show that plot data versus fitted curve. scatter plot equal to actual data points, and lastly is curve equal to best fit quadratic model.
Hi again. So if you have stayed tuned this far, no worry, this will end very soon. So I will conclude all of our work done. So based on the investigation we conducted, the best fit quadratic is as seen as the above. So as you can see, we also managed to get the errors from the data we received using the equation E equals to y minus mv. And from that error, we managed to get the magnitude of vector error, as you see here, maybe. So, without further ado, we are ending our video right here. So, thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum.